This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Norway and Sweden separated. The two nations shared a union under a single monarch for almost a century, beginning in 1814. However, this arrangement was not without its challenges. Over time, a distinct Norwegian national identity grew stronger, fueling a desire for greater autonomy and eventually complete independence. This increasing sentiment set the stage for the eventual dissolution of their shared kingdom. Several core issues contributed to the eventual split. A major point of disagreement revolved around foreign policy, specifically Norway's demand for its own independent consular service. Norwegians felt their economic interests were not adequately represented by Swedish consuls. Furthermore, the king's constitutional power to veto Norwegian laws also became a significant source of friction, highlighting the imbalance of power within the Union. The path to independence began formally when Norway's parliament declared the Union dissolved on June 7, 1905. This bold move was followed by a national plebiscite, where the Norwegian people overwhelmingly voted in favor of separation. Despite initial tensions, both nations engaged in crucial negotiations in Karlstad. These discussions ultimately led to a peaceful and mutually agreed-upon dissolution, avoiding potential conflict. Following the dissolution, Norway established its own independent monarchy, welcoming a new king to lead the nation. This pivotal moment marked the beginning of Norway's full sovereignty. Today, both Norway and Sweden enjoy robust and friendly diplomatic relations, demonstrating that a peaceful separation can lead to strong, respectful neighbors. Be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.